Just as training can impact whether the business strategy is fully realized, the business strategy can also impact training and development in a number of different ways. A company's business strategy will have an impact on the relative importance of training compared to the other HRM functions, the number of resources that are devoted to the training system, the type and amount of training that occurs in the organization, the training development process, how the training is designed, whether an evaluation is used to improve it, whether a needs assessment was conducted prior to design. It can also impact the extent to which training is customized, specialized for the employees in a specific organization. Some training programs are very general and could be applied in just about any organization. Other training programs are customized specifically for that organization and that organization's employees. And finally, the business strategy can have an impact on who is invited to training. In some organizations, only the top executives are trained and allowed to participate in special development opportunities. In other organizations, every employee, regardless of status, regardless of tenure, is invited to participate in growth opportunities. All of these different factors will be impacted by the organization's business strategy, in part because the strategy is influenced by the company's values. Whatever the company values, whether it's making money, competing, being the best, being the most helpful, whatever the company values will find its way into the training and development system, just as it would find its way into the recruitment, selection, and performance management systems. Those values will be reflected in the training programs themselves. The best plan of action is to take note of those values, to take note of the business strategy, and then design the entire training and development system around that strategy, those values, the organization's culture.